Welcome everybody to JTraedz TV, where we discuss our stock-related contents and much more. So far, guys, we're having an amazing run back up to the upside on SPY. The key target that I did have towards the upside, and I'll show y'all my proof, was that 751.31. And let me show y'all the proof. I posted that this morning in the pre-market prep. Aussies, thank you so much for joining me, Queen. Thank you so much. Right here, guys. Y'all can see right here for the longs. And we get that break above that 748. Our targeted areas on up was 749.44, 750.43, 751.31, right where we at, up to that 752.41 level. That was towards the upside. Only thing that we had today that came out today, guys, was the jobless claims that came out already at 8:30. I went ahead and posted it in the LX Traders membership room. We do have the sale still going on. Got about 2 days left, guys, before we go back to the regular pricing. So I did post that this morning. One of the prices called out was 751.31, and we are right by it. 751.31, baby. So we right by it. Looking good. So we right by it. Still on this continuation uptrend, still building, guys. So shorts, just be careful right now trying to chase. You know, if you want to get going still on the long side, you still have room to still push. Uptrend is still commencing after this after this drop we had this morning. Still continue to the upside. We still got big still falling, guys, that we talked about. I told y'all if we was to fall underneath that 16.20, we was gonna fall into the lower areas of $16, and there you go. We right around 16.02 with possible more downside to come. Lower key area. I mean the low area I have on VIX, guys, is all the way back down to like 15.53. That was I think that was Tuesday's lows. Yeah, I think that was Tuesday's lows, Tuesday and Monday areas. So around 15.53. So that means that as long as VIX keeps dropping, especially if we drop underneath that 16 level down, guys, into the 15s, SPY should continue to rocket on up to the upside. So let's see if we're going to crack this 16 level on VIX. If we crack this 16 level, we should expect a little bit more upside on SPY right at that 751.31 on up. So next key level I have from that one was, let me go back to my... What was it? It was 52.41. 52.41 was the level after that I did have set. So after we break this area, we're going to be looking for that 52 plus level on up. So in other words, guys, all we're doing is going back in that range again. If y'all notice, all we did, if I go back a little bit, I can go to a 1 hour time frame to show y'all the whole entire thing. Let me go up a little bit. So all we did, guys, was fall out of this range, back in this range. That's all we did. So we see where the overall tops is located. So once we bypass that 752 here, next level up, this top area is towards that 752.41. So you can clearly see it's trying to make a big cup pattern, a big U-shaped pattern. So you can clearly see that, again, all you're doing is trying to find your way right back in that range, which you have, right back in this zone. So right now, I mean, it's been crazy. It's been green counter. Good morning, Charlie Queen. Good morning, my beautiful queen. You. Good morning. Shout out to Charlie Queen. So we're not overbought just yet, guys, but we're getting close to it. Now, once we hit around these levels, shorts, then you could anticipate some type of pullback coming after that. But let those buyers continuously push this bad boy up, because I mean, look how it's been on even on the 1 hour time frame. Green counter. It's been all bulls, guys. So I mean, you gotta ask yourself, where do you see a bearish signal at? You don't. Right now, it's straight green counters. It's bullish. Bulls have it. So allow them to keep pushing. If you want to join the bull side, you know, play some scalps, you know, towards the upside. But just be careful chasing as you're going up towards these top areas. Be careful. Just be careful. Because I ain't gonna lie, I was trying to nail the tops, but I know it's very kind of dangerous right now. That's why I'm kind of waiting for an overextension. Because right now, even watching the SPX, we are riding at the 9 EMA, and I'm not getting in right here. I'm waiting for some like a good pop on up, like an overextension somewhere we're away from it, where we can fall back down to it. So that's really what I was anticipating on SPX. Let me show you even on SPY real quick. With SPY. So if you notice, all it's doing is coasting on that 9 EMA. So that's why I want to go for a put. You know, I mean, we do crack it. I'm going to look into it. But I was expecting another push up, get an overextension, then catch it back down. But when it's riding like a level like this to me is like a trap. Where it look like a fake, where it look like you want to pull back, but then you get trapped, and then it reverses. So this is the area I kind of stay clear from. But I'm going to just keep it on watch to see. Because I was trying to see, I was trying to nail the perfect tops. I nailed the perfect top this morning. I definitely caught the perfect top this morning right here, guys. Remember, also you was right along with me. Caught these tops right around at 49 and caught that drop back down. So now all I'm trying to do now is trying to indicate what's the next top, as we go on up. So right here, guys, you got to keep in mind too that 51.31 is gonna be like a pivot point now to a higher range. But what I'm expecting is after this little move up on VIX, after it goes back up to set up for a bull trap and then drop back down. So that's the reason why SPY's getting a little bit of a pullback, because you're getting a VIX getting a bounce off of $16, trying to go for a move back on up. But you still have an overall downtrend set on VIX. I mean, it's still an overall downtrend. See, if you go back a little bit, look at this. Look at VIX. Look how ugly this is. You still got a drop still coming. Your bottoms isn't all the way back down to the 50s. So I'm expecting after this little bounce on up for a little bull trap and then the next level on down. That's what I'm expecting to see what's going to happen. But that's why I'm trying to time this perfect. The tops, I'm trying to time the tops perfect as hell. I'm trying to time it, guys. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. I don't think it's ready yet. I don't think it's ready just yet, but we'll see. I mean, if it happened, it happened, but I still think that we just gonna try to push up a little bit more. After VIX runs up, get rejected, come down, I think SPY's gonna go for that next leg up. So that's what I'm keeping on watch. Keeping on watch. So I'm just waiting to see. Because right here, see, that's why I don't want to get in right here. Because I think this could be a trap, a bad trap. See? Green candle. So let's see if those buys going to squeeze up. So imagine how many shorts you're trying to short it. So let's see what's about to happen. So that's the reason why they want to jump in right here. Because I feel like that's going to be a trap. I mean, if it, like I said, if it pull, cool. But I just still feel like it's a trap setting up right here. I just don't want to get caught in. I'd rather wait for a squeeze back to the upside. I'd rather wait for a push in an overextension. Because like I said, we're not overbought just yet. Not yet. We still got some room to still push. Because even on the RSI, where we at? Right at a 68. So we still haven't started lighting up in red yet. So we still haven't got overbought. So that's why I'm thinking this bad boy going to still try to push his way somewhere towards that 52 plus. That's why I still think it's going to try to make his way back, towards that area in due time. Because, I mean, the overall movement after the drop, I mean, you still got an uptrend building. Still got an uptrend building. So I think this may be a possible trap. Possible. We'll see what's about to happen right here. Like I said, if it pull, it pull. But this type of areas right here, I get kind of a little paranoid to try to jump in on a short, because I'll be thinking there's another trap coming, unlike another bear trap. So, I mean, just right here, pull back, bounce, pull back, bounce, pull back, bounce, pull back. So you kind of get the gist of what I'm saying. So that's why I want to get in right here. I'd rather wait for a nice spike, a nice move off of that level, where I can catch the overextensions back down. Yeah, but yeah, I think this is like kind of like in a little small consolidated area where they're trying to trap more shorts right here for the possible next leg up. Especially once VIX falls underneath $16 on down to the 15s, then SPY's definitely gonna go on that spike. So, because VIX is still dropping. So I want to see, can we get this drop on these 16 on down so SPY could continue on up. So notice almost the similarities to this, but the opposite. Wait, look at this. See this? One is going up, the other is going down. So that's why I'm expecting a little bit more downside until we hit those very bottoms. So I think right here just a little bounce, and it could be a trap, like as they go back up, like right back up towards this 1620, because that was the area that we needed to crack. So if they do get a bounce back up, watch this 1620, see if it's going to be a trap, and then drop them again. So if they drop them, SPY should go back up, which this should equal to a bear trap. So I'm not jumping in right there. I'm not doing that. Hell to the no. Negatory. Because you see what I mean? Look how the buyers are trying to trap those shorts. See what I mean? There you go. Trap. So you got to understand how to read those charts very carefully. Read them very, very carefully, how to avoid traps. Because like I said, if you look at the overall setup, this is an uptrend. You got way more green candles than red candles, so that's letting you know it's way more buyers than sellers right now. So that's why I'm gonna just let the buyer, like I said, let buyers have it, let them push, do their thing. I'm staying clear from that. I'm staying very clear from that. So I'm trying to see, because I'm just kind of paranoid of chasing this. I mean, to the top too though, because I'm just paranoid. I'm like, could I snakeskin rand it where I can just make scalps on it towards the upside? I mean, I could. Let me see. Because, I mean, I still feel like SPY can still run. So, let me see. Let me look at my calls. Because I'm mainly, like, I'm targeting for that put, like that hard put. But let's see what's going to happen on the upside real quick first. So, let me see. Let me check out the contracts on this one. What was the lows? 25. All right. Because I still think SPY has a lot of room to still push as VIX still pulls back on down. Because, like I said, target number 1 is going to be that 51.31. And then target number 2 is going to be up towards the 752 plus. So I think it's going to try to make its way back up towards those tops again. See? I think it's going to try to make its way back up here and here first. So I think it's going to try to push because it's not overbought just yet. But we're getting there. We're getting close to it. That's why I want to keep trying to chase it. Because I know it's coming somewhere. I know that top is coming somewhere. I'm just trying to nail it perfectly. So just give me some time, guys. I'm trying to nail it perfect because this, yeah, it's going to, if I can nail a perfect top, I'll be on point with it. So I'm not going to use today's contract. I'm going to probably use tomorrow's contract. Where I have a little bit of space. So I'm just trying to fidget through it real quick. Cause see SPY, see that trap? Let's see. If they go for that break, that means they trap those shorts right here. And they trying to squeeze them out of their position. So let's see. But that's why I said these areas I don't like. I do not go for puts right here. It's very dangerous. Especially if I know the pattern, what it's doing. Uptrending. Hell to the no. It's nothing but a trap. Look how many shorts got trapped here. Look how many shorts got trapped here. Look how many shorts got trapped here. I mean, you had some smart shorts that took scalps, but then you had some 9 times out of 10 holding the bag and it going against them. See, I like to look for big opportunities, man. I mean, big fishes. Sorry. So that's why I said, that's why I didn't want to jump in right here on the put, because this could be a trap, negative. And you see what it's doing, right? See what it's doing. Also, what y'all looking at right now? I know you was trading Nvidia with hardware. Are you still looking at Nvidia? Nvidia's where? Still fighting at 202? How we looking on SpaceX? SpaceX still fighting, what, 150? I mean, it's still trying to build up, but it's just, ugh. I mean, still holding. I mean, still trying to find, because you gotta keep in mind, Aussie, you still are in that demand zone, so buyers could still be trying to buy in this area. So in due time, they could push back above 152 in due time. I'll set an alert at 152 on that one, because you are in that demand zone where this is a buying opportunity, where buyers could in due time push. I mean, it may, if it don't be today, excuse me, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see though. But this is a buy zone where they could be buying up on SpaceX, trying to push their way back above that 152. So that is a possibility. There's a strong possibility they could be doing that. All out of Nvidia, $20, slowly getting back. Let me look at the range, because I was telling them the range that we were in on it. Let me see if that range is still holding. All right, the range that I had, that little mini range I had was like 201.18 up to 202. So it was like range. You still see it's kind of consolidating. So what would be the true area that we need to break? What is that? 202.50. So let me make another one. So 202.50 would be the main area that you would need to really break to definitely get that upside to the upside. So 202.50 Queen would be that breakout zone for sure with Nvidia. There you go. See that? So 202.50 down to that 201.18. So notice you're still in this range. You're still in this range. Let me kind of make it a little bit bigger. So notice right here. This is the range you're in right here on Nvidia. That's why I told hardware that y'all was in a range. Y'all was right in the range. I'll take off 202 though. I'll delete it. All right. So look at the range. See? Tops, bottoms, still trying to find his way out of that box. So once you get that break above that 202.50, y'all should be golden from there. So from 202.50 back on up towards the 203s, the 204s. But you can clearly see kind of what it's doing. So instead of making a cup, we want to create an uptrend. So that's what we want to do, especially for the longs. So longs, this is what you want to see. And you want to avoid a possible inverted cup. You want to hold a secondary bottom. You already got these bottoms down here if you missed this one. You had the secondary area right around the 201.18. So if this area can hold up again, I mean, we should get another bottom bounce, obviously right here. If this area can hold again, we can see a possible red to green move, because right now you got all red candles. So once we come down here, we could possibly create a trap, a bear trap, and then we could possibly see a reversal back up. So watch that level right here. That's where we're coming down to see can we get that pull back down to it, and see can we create a trap. SPY, I'm still waiting on this. Like I said, I'm not doing it yet. I'm not doing it just yet. Don't get me wrong, I'm anxious. I'm definitely anxious. I'm just trying to nail this perfect top. I'm just trying to see when it's going to wear itself out. I want to see if that 5131 is going to hold up as resistance. Because last time we fell, we was underneath that one. How far did we fall? So last time we was underneath that one, we fell back all the way down to what, the 746, 745-ish area? From here to here. So that's why I'm watching for today. We right at that almost that same carry, because that's why I want to see. I want to see it tested up, and I want to see if a trap is gonna commence. So that's why I want to wait for the explosion, because I'm not buying right here. That's why I want to see, can they get one more squeeze up and then a possible trap. I want to see it break out of this little area. I want to see a nice those buys push it to the upside real quick to see if that trap is gonna commence. Then I can possibly look for one, because I mean you already got the video turning back down. The video's already turning. Please don't let this be the top, because I want to miss this. Please tell me this not. Don't tell me I missed it. Please don't. I was waiting on this. I was waiting. Please tell me this is not it. All right, it's still holding. Still holding. Because I want to see a breakout real quick, then a pullback. Because what I don't want it to do, Aussie, I don't like keep playing on it. Because normally when it's playing on it, it's just trapping shorts. Because shorts is having a hard time pulling. So that's why I want to wait for overextensions, where you can play the move back down. It's like when you're in this little consolidated area holding like this is the area that I don't want to play, because it's very small. You got to be very quick. That's the area where you scout like real fast. But man, I just hope I hope I just didn't miss this top area, man. I was waiting on this, please. Oh, please tell me I just didn't miss the top and it's pulling back now. Oh my God, tell me I didn't. I'm looking at it on my SPX guys too, so. And I'm going to show y'all what I have on my SPX and what I was trying to do. If this is it. Funk, I did this maybe the pullback. This is what I was trying to do. See, this is how I marked off my SPX. What is my damn chart at? Jesus Christ. Oh, there we go. So I marked off my, see, I had marked off my tops. See right here? Jay, why did you have 36, why did you have 3606? That was based off, I think I want to say Tuesday area. Let me go back a little bit. So if I go back a little bit, you can see right here, that was Monday's area where we popped up. You got rejected right at that 75, 3606 level, then pull back down. Then you ran up towards this 75.29, then you pull back on down. So that's why I was trying to watch the tops for the day. It was going to hit that same exact area, which we are. And it is starting to pull back right that same area. See, that's what I was doing. See, you got to know how to time it perfect. Damn it. I was waiting for another push, but I think this may be it. I think yep, and it's pulling. Shit. I think I missed the actual tops. God dang it. I was trying to time it so perfect. I mean, it happens, man. It happens. Because I didn't want to chase. So, god dang it. Let me see where we go or what we pull back to. Cause I wanted higher than that. I wanted a pop and then like a trap and then back down. So let me show y'all what I was trying to anticipate. So on my SPX, what I was trying to anticipate, that's why I was waiting. I was waiting for like an overextension. There we go. I was waiting for an overextension. I thought it was gonna build up, and I was waiting for that pop. I mean, it can still possibly do it if it holds. I mean, it can still try to do it. So I was waiting for a break above this area. I was waiting for a strong green candle push, like towards resistance, and then like a hard upper shadow back down. So that's what I was anticipating. I was anticipating that. Let me see. I'll draw it out. So I was waiting for like a green candle push, right here, but the upper shadow like right here. So as it push up for those selling pressure to push it right back down, and then we get that nice. That's what I was trying to anticipate. Now y'all get what I was doing. I mean, it's still holding. It's still a fighting chance that it can still go back up and try to retest. It's still holding. So now y'all see what I'm watching on my end. So I'm just waiting for that perfect top. I'm waiting for this perfect top to catch it. I'm just waiting for this perfect top. Cause now I'm gonna tell you why. And then I went for tomorrow's contracts. So, if we can get this perfect top, I want to swing it. I want to be able to swing this bad boy. That's why I want to do this. Meta kind of looks the same. Let me go to, let me see, Austin. Let me see what we got on Meta. Meta. Yeah, Meta is 615. Meta 615. Now, if Meta breaks 615, we do have room to push back up to 620s. Because, yeah, Meta's on this uptrend too. So your tops is all the way up here. So if we break 615, you do have room to try to retest 620s. So, yeah, so I mean, it's still, I mean, like I said, I'm just still being patient. I'm just trying to see because I don't think it's ready yet. I just don't think it's ready yet. I want to see it go for one more spike. I don't think it's ready just yet. But I want it. And look, last time you hit the 620s, bam, pull right back on down towards the where 610s. So, yeah, that's why I'm just being patient and waiting. Because I still see Nvidia's, not Nvidia, I'm sorry, Meta. They set up a short trap. Trapped these shorts down here and went for that. What did they trap them at? Was that, what, 612-ish area maybe? Or 610-ish? What was this? What's this level that they trapped them? Had to be around 610. No, got to be about 6. What was this? Yeah, about 612, 613. Yeah. All right, so they trapped them right here. They trapped those shorts right in this spot right here. So they trapped them. After they pulled back down, trapped those shorts right here. And look what's happening. See? Short trap. Gotta know how to read it, man. Gotta know how to read it. Look what's happening. Squeezing them out of their position. Squeezing them out. So I say, guys, you gotta know how to read the room. Gotta know how to read these charts and these candles. Gotta know how to read them. So right here with SPY, I'm still thinking they're gonna try to push it like one more time. That's why I'm just waiting. Because right here we like in this consolidation. That's why I'm just being patient. I'm not letting my emotions get the better of me on this. I'm being very patient on this. Because trust me, I want that top area. I want that top area. I want to catch the best top for that move right back on down. Because I see two specific areas to the top. That's why I want to see if they do break, if they're going to try to go for that that higher top. And once again, I'll show y'all again. Hold on. Because I know it's going to be like somewhere in this area coming up. Somewhere coming. I'm just hoping I ain't miss it, man. Because this area is crucial too, but we didn't touch it. We didn't touch this area yet. Crucial, what's up, boss? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. They're going to go for one, like another push, like at least one more. One more. That's what I'm just being patient and waiting on. I'm waiting for one more push. And I'm going to show you why. Let me go, and I'm going to show you CRW, not CRW, SPX once again. So I'm going to show y'all why I'm being patient. Why I'm just trying to see if they're going to do it, but I'm hoping I don't miss it, man. So look, right here. So based off the pass. Based off the pass. That's why I'm trying to time this so damn perfectly. Because right here you had this pullback, right? And then you had this upper pullback. But we haven't hit these levels. We came close to it. That was around the 75.40 to the 75.50s. And that's why I was trying to see, can it go for like one more push between that area and that area to see that can hold up as stronger, resistance, then drop them. So that's why I'm trying to see if they're going to go for like one more push up this way and then maybe catch these tops. So I'm trying to be patient, but this thing is messing with me. It's playing with my emotions right now. It's playing with my emotions. It's playing with my emotions right now. You know what? I'm going to be patient. I ain't going to let my emotions get the better of me. No. I'll be patient. I'm going to be patient. I was trying to nail this perfect top, though. I was trying to nail it. That's why I'm being so patient with this. But if it starts to drop, I'll be pissed off that I missed this top area. I'm going to be so mad. It's like I've been sitting here waiting on this. But Meta's still holding. Let me see what VIX is doing. Let me take a look at VIX real quick. Hold on. And Tesla's still holding too. Tesla's still holding. What is that? 410? No, what is this? Where we at right now? Oh no, we're not to it. So with Tesla, guys, watch it 202.50 up to 205. 402.50 up to 405. So that'll be your targeted areas on the upside. That's what you want to see. Cause like I said, I'm used to how Tesla moves. Don't tell me it's turning already, please. And y'all didn't give it to me. Oh, please don't. Please don't. Please hold back and go back up, please. don't do this to me. All right, let's see. So your targeted areas on Tesla, if we go back up, would be 402.50. That'll be one of your targeted areas. Where we at on that? Let me see where it's gonna show up at on here. 402.50. We right by it. And next level will be 405. That'll be your target areas on the upside with Tesla. I'm just using the price points on it, higher moves. That's why. I'm just used to higher moves. So that'd be 2 target areas. So you got 250 up to that 405. So that'd be your targets on SPY. I mean on Tesla. SPY, we still anticipating this 751.31. So what pisses me off, I'm gonna tell y'all what pisses me off. Miss B, how you doing, Queen? I hate when they don't hit it during intraday, but they always hit it during post market. Cause what level I was calling out yesterday for SPY yesterday? Cause me and Nadi was arguing with it, and I told it was gonna hit it. I think it was the 737.47. I think I was calling out. It was somewhere in this area. I said that SPY was gonna hit. We didn't hit it during intraday, but sure enough, we hit it during post market, pre-market. Pre-market we wound up hitting it. But I called it out. See what I mean? We didn't get it during intraday. So what I want to see doing intraday today, while we still have the market open, I want to see this target hit. I don't want to see the shit go sideways and then hit it after the market closed. No, I want to see it hit now. I want to see that squeeze up towards these targeted areas this way. I hate when it does this. I hate when it drags off until like powwow and all this crap. I hate when they do that because it's so annoying. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is because that's why I always say post-market and pre-market always have the best entry setups because they always have the best areas because it's hitting my price points. Come on. We all hitting that trend line on SPY. We all hitting the trend line on that 5. Let's see. See, you hitting that trend line, guys? Hitting the trend line. A little bit of resistance. Because now that you done failed, look how powerful that trend line was when you were underneath it. See that pullback? See? We hitting the trend line again. Man, I just want to see one good spike up and then drop back underneath the trend line. I mean, y'all get what I'm saying? Like, I want to see a good spike up, like a fake out breakout, and then a fall back underneath. That's what I want. That's what I'm waiting on. Like an overextension, but it's pulling. Man. God dang it, man. I mean, I can still catch the put. What I'm saying is I wanted those like overall tops, man. It's always falling short underneath my targets. I be damn near close to being spot on, but I mean, that range is still holding on SPX, though. The range is still holding. That's why I'm waiting to see, can we go for one more pop? And then a pull. Because like everything on SPX is holding up like perfectly. I'm just waiting on SPY to hold its end of the bargain. Yeah, man. I'm still waiting on. I still think we're going to get like one more push. Wait, it is about to be 1 o'clock in about a minute. So what? Okay, so what levels did they need to hold before 1 o'clock if they want the continuation upside? Right where we at, pretty much. Right where we at. They need to hold this to stay in this range. Right where we at. Let's see. Got about almost 30 seconds till we close out. Let me see what they're gonna do. If they're gonna hold this range to start off with for the second half of the market. For the second half, or they're gonna just stay within this area without falling all the way back down. Because I don't want them to fall yet. Not yet. Not yet. I want to wait for the to push back to the upside first, then drop them. I want them to hold in about 15 seconds. 15 seconds. I want this level to hold. Because I want to see that move back up this way. Because, I mean, you got Tesla still holding up pretty well. Almost like a bull flag pattern holding up right there. So that's still holding up. That's bullish still. Yeah. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. So we did gap up. We did gap up. So see what I mean about avoiding this trap? You don't know if it's going to break out or hold and push back up. That's why I said I avoid this type of area right here, because you don't know what it's going to do. That's why I avoid these areas. You don't know if it's going to drop and you don't know if it's going to pop. It's like a 50-50 area. I hate these areas. And there go Tesla, guys. What I told y'all, look for the 40250 off this bull flag pattern. It may go for a nice little another leg up. How many legs we went up? 1, 2, 3. Consolidation may go for a possible another leg up. Well, Tesla may find his way back up towards the 405. See what I mean? Trap. So far, look at this battle. Look at this battle. See what I mean? Back and forth, back and forth. That's the headache area. That's the area I do not go in on. No. See what I mean? Look how many shorts. It's just praying that it drops. Look at that. Look how many shorts that didn't jump in right here. Praying that spot drops back on down. See what I mean? And look what's happening. You're reversing. That's why I said avoid these areas at all costs. They're going to push. All right. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Because I still think we got room for that 51 plus up. Let's see. Tesla. What I told you. 4250. What I told you. That's target number 1. And we could continue up. I told you guys, you got a bull flag pattern setting up right here. Bull flag pattern. Let's see, can we get that up towards that 4 or 5 for your Tesla, for my Tesla traders. Bull flag pattern. Clear pattern right in your face. So, SPY, let's see, can we get this push up? Break back through this trend line up towards that 51.31. Let's see. That's why I told y'all. That's why I don't get in these areas. Boy, traps. Look how many shorts got trapped right here. On up. See that? Bam. That's why you avoid that. That's why I said I'm not going to let my emotions get the better of me. I'll be patient and wait it out. Let them do what they do. Wait for my game plan to set up. That's how you avoid emotions, by understanding your levels. Understanding the pattern. Uptrend. When you have an uptrend, you only have small windows of opportunities on shorts. Look at this. 2 candles, back on up. 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 See what I mean? Unless you're a fast scalper. Other than that, nah. That's too much of a headache for me. I like to wait for big moves. Big moves. And there go your Tesla, guys. Still ramping up off your bull flag pattern. Shout out to my loans on your Tesla. Shout out to my loans on the Tesla. Shout out. What I told y'all. 4250, target number 1. Let's see now, can we go up toward that 4 or 5? That'll be your next target up. Let me see NVIDIA. I know I have some NVIDIA traders too. NVIDIA, we're looking for that 202.50 break. For that possible push back up towards the 203.50 up to 204. Basically back up towards that 200-day moving average. SPY, still thinking and anticipating that we're going to hit this level on up. Still waiting on that up towards 52. That's why I told you, got to be patient. Patient is key. Shout out to Crucial for calling that out too as well. Shout out to Crucial for calling that out too. So you saw it right along with me. So you saw it. Oh, that's why I said I'm not chasing this crap. Where we at on VIX? VIX still falling? Where we at? We still ain't hit the targets yet, huh? Still got room to still fall. Still room to still fall on VIX, guys. Look how much room you still got to fall back this way. Like I told you, true errors isn't all the way back down to like the 250, 15, what is 53, something like that. I think that's what it was. That's where the bottoms was located, right? Right where I got my alert? Yeah, right where I got my alert. So why gave me 56? I said 53. I wasn't 56. Wait, let me see. No, it is 53. All right. I don't know why my line put 56 instead of 53. I don't know why it did that. All right, there we go. That makes sense. So look how much room you still got to fall with VIX. Look at this. Look how much room you still got to fall, guys. 1580s down towards the 1560-ish area. So that means SPY still has room to do what? Push. Because remember, they do the opposite of one another. Like I said, look at the charts. They look very similar, but in the opposite direction. So if VIX keep dropping, SPY keeps popping. Ooh, boys. Ooh, boys. On them. So yeah, watch. Let's see, can we get our targets met on SPY? We already got one of our targets met on Tesla. Right now, where we at with Tesla? 34380. So we're not too far from the 404s. We're looking for that 405. NVIDIA, we're waiting for that 202.50 break. Guys, what else are y'all looking at? Anything else? Anything else? Still looking for that fall on VIX. We should be pushing. Should be pushing. Boy, that was a beautiful play this morning, though. On that drop, oh, that was beautiful. Oh, that was a beautiful play. Beautiful play on that one. Still anticipating this squeeze. Still anticipating, but like I said, look how many shorts got trapped right here. Praying that it goes down. They see, but especially if you got a 0 DTE, boy, I mean, you catch a headache with that. You jumping in on the short side, down here, and it squeezes up, man. Yo, that time decay kicking in. Yo, the value of your contracts are going down. So when you in, like I said, that's why you avoid consolidation. You avoid the range, especially if, man, you going the opposite way. Oh, Mara, yeah, Mara. I forgot about Mara too. Mara was 15, I think 1450. Oh, we already dropped, huh? Oh shit, yeah, we already dropped from 1450. God dog it, it already dropped. Cause remember I told you it was gonna be around $14.50 to $15 on that drop after that move on up. Do they got contracts on this? They should, huh? Oh yeah, they do got contracts on this. So let me see how much you would have made on the short side. What was the lows on that? 11 cents and one went up to $1. What was this one? 24 cents went up to $1.33. Yep. If y'all would have caught that $14.50, I told y'all. Y'all, like man, I warned a lot of people. Discord. I told y'all this morning. I went through Mora this morning. I told y'all. I said, guys, Mora. I said the areas that I see on the upside was gonna be around not Mora. I told y'all, around 1450s back on down. 1450s to 15s. And what did we pull back underneath? 1450. Bam, you would have had a sweet drop. You would have had a sweet short on that. I told y'all, man. I warned y'all. I told them. Man, that's money in y'all pockets. I try to put money in y'all pockets. And that's free information. Just like with SPY. What I told y'all. As long as it holds, this level holds for 1 o'clock, what's your next target up? I told y'all this. What did I say I was anticipating? A spike on up. So patience is key. Patience is a virtue. Yeah, see, I was looking at more at the time. I'll say if I would have been paying attention to more, I ain't gonna lie to you, I would have caught it. But I was watching SPY and something else. I forgot what else I was watching. I think NVIDIA, this morning. Yep, that would have been a beautiful short, guys. Y'all would have had that. That's damn near what, a dollar drop? $14.50 down to $13.50, dollar drop on that. Y'all would have banked on that. And what I told y'all, target, baby. What I told y'all. Bad trap, squeeze them right up to that target. What I told you. What's next after that? What I had on that list was 42. What? 42 something. What was that next target? So we already about to touch. Here's one of my targets, guys. Boom, right here. 751.31. 751.31. After that, 752.41. So let me put that. Alert too. So. That's target number one. I called one of the targets. I called. What's the other one? 752.41, right? I think. How the hell I forgot that fast? It's too many damn numbers to remember. It's too many numbers to remember. I think it was 41. I think that's what it was. I'll go back and check. I think that's what it was though. Yeah, 52.41. Yep. So target one, target two. On the upside, I never heard of. When Mora was it used to be popular back in the day. Obviously, that was doing the shipping companies. So you had Ship itself, SHIP. You had Mora, MARA. It was another one. Goddamn, what was that other shipping company? Cause we used to all play it. It was another one. Riot. I think Riot was a part of it. Riot, Crucial, RIOT. I think Riot was another one that was a part of Mora and them. Let me check. I think that's what it was. I think it was Riot. I think Riot too. Riot, Ship itself, Ship, and it was Mara, Ship, Riot. I know I'm missing another one. It used to be like 4 of them I used to remember. And what I told you guys, watch that squeeze. Watch your target. Let's see, can we hit it? We almost to it. I'm trying to think. It was another one. I can't put my finger on it. I used to have a list of them. Let me see. I might have my list still. Of all my companies, all my shipping. I used to have all different sectors. I'm trying to remember where I saved it. Where did I save those lists at? Is it on this one? On my little list here? Could have sworn I had like. I used to say I have a list with God dang, why is the word slipping my mind right now? Jesus. Not squeezes. Why I can't think of the name right now? My mind going blank. Once I find it, I'll say it. Hold on, let me go back to my weekly. I know I had it saved somewhere. Let me go to open. It was like I think under my weekly, maybe. Well, I had a whole list of everything. Up here. Boom! What I told you. 51.31. Stop playing with me. That's why I said, y'all guys, y'all need to sign up for the membership, man. I'm giving y'all, I told y'all, I'll give y'all information y'all need. Okay, that's IPOs, high press keywords. I think this is, what are these? Corona spikes, electrical spikes, Juneteenth spikes, oil stocks. Could have sworn I had one for ships. There we go, shipper. Dries. That's what it was. Dries. DRYS. There we go. There go my list. I knew I had a list somewhere. Oh, Samara is part of the Bitcoin. My fault. I said ship. It's part of Bitcoin. My fault. Yeah, because look, it's right here. Riot, Mara. I knew I had a list somewhere. So I got them all. Look at it. Sympathy plays. All right here. I got technology, shippers, Bitcoin, energy, consumers. I got them all listed. Look at this. I told y'all for years and years I used to just make lists. Just nothing but lists. Inverse ETFs. Supernovas. That's what I meant to say. Supernovas. I had supernova lists, guys, from like, look at this, from 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020. I used to keep a list of everything, guys, for years. That's how like I was so focused. Sympathy plays, all right here lined up from every single sector. All your stocks, Juneteenth stocks, coronavirus stocks. I had to, guys, look at this. I used to keep records on everything. That's how much I was showing y'all I don't play. That's how much I was not playing. I had everything set up on this damn thing. Economics, earnings. Oh, man. I still got my list, boy. That's why it's always so good to keep everything. So that's Bitcoin. So I said shippers. I do apologize. That's Bitcoin. Bitcoin. I'm sorry. That's Bitcoin. The hell was I thinking? That's Bitcoin. So sorry about that. So right now, guys, 1, 2, 3 candles up. Watch this level here to see if we're going to go for that next leg up. From this target, we got that next target up towards 52.41. And y'all can see that right here that I have that photo. That's the next target. We already now hit one target. That was 51.31. Done. Now we're trying to see if we can get this breakout. The next level will be 52.41. But here we go, getting rejected. Still think it got room. Let me see. Is it overbought yet? Or are we still pushing? Boy, look at that Mar. Mar would have been, yeah, guys, y'all would have had a beautiful play on that one. Jeez Louise. Beautiful play. SPY, where we at? We're getting close to being overbought. We're right by it. So right in this area. So I wonder if we're going to push back up to these tops. Like get this last push up right towards what my next target is. I mean, I can imagine them doing that because I mean, look how bullish today is. I could imagine them going for that next leg up and I mean hitting that target and that's it. Like one more leg up. Because we already hit target number 1, which was 51.31. Next one on up, and you can see it right here, guys. We have these tops at, right? Up towards 52.41. I can't imagine them not trying to retest this high again. When you close out this cup. I can imagine it, going for, closing this cup right here. That's why I still believe there's more upside coming. Because if you take this drawing, all you have is a cup. All the way from these bottoms back on up. And then, I mean, again, your tops is all the way back up towards 52.41. From, I think it was Tuesday's area, I think. Today is what, Thursday? Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Monday's area. So, I can imagine them pushing up to that area before we get a nice pullback. That's crazy. I mean, whole entire market since pre-market has just been bullish, bullish, bullish. So y'all know what that means. So if y'all see consecutive green candles, even on an hourly time frame, y'all know what tomorrow might bring. So just saying, if y'all see consecutive green candles up with no reds involved on a 1 hour time frame, no pullbacks, y'all know what that means. Y'all know what's coming. Y'all know. That's why I'm getting excited. That's why I'm excited. Let them keep pushing. Because again, what I always tell you guys, if you miss the front end, you catch the back end. So, and as I told you guys, I can see them still pushing up towards that next target, 52.41. From this level here that we just hit, target number 1, up towards target number 2. As you continue to the upside, continuously squeezing these shorts out of their position. I mean, they trying to ride it all the way up to that range. Like from the bottom of that range all the way to the top portion of this range is insane for today. I mean, it's just been bullish, 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 bullish. So I can imagine them pushing up here. I can imagine it close towards that 53. I mean, I don't see why not. They might as well finish it. They might as well. So that's what I'm saying. Shorts, be careful. Because, I mean, they can still more upside can occur. Because let's see on the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour, what time is candle? Candle doesn't close until, oh shit, we still got a while. This candle just opened. So you still got this 1 hour candle still pushing. So, what time it is? 1 o'clock. So could 2 o'clock finish it out? Because right now, this is your 1 o'clock push. So if it don't finish off at 1, could we continue at 2 o'clock up? So, and that's crazy. This has been green. That's crazy. So imagine getting in a swing trade down here at these bottoms at 740 yesterday. See what I mean? By catching the perfect swing trades. Now you see what I mean, Crucial? By catching the perfect swing trades. All they did was create a damn near a triple bottom. 1, 2, 3, bam. Played the same exact area. Now look at your psychological tops. From that 751.31 up to what? 752.41. So the question is, can the psychological plays to the top be in effect? So we going up to it. I mean, that's a strong movement. I mean, crazy. From the demand zone all the way into the supply zone. That is a madness. Look on how strong. You went on a 2-day just strong push to the upside. Right back into that demand supply zone. It's crazy. That is sick. And yeah, like I said, I'm excited because when I see consecutive green candles like this, that's why I'm being patient. That's why I say, even look on my SPX. See why I was being patient? Why I say I want to see if they're going to push up even higher. Let me show you. See, watch. Right here. Remember I told you I wanted to see if they was going to actually push all the way back up to that bad boy. See? Patience. See? All I'm doing is being patient to see if they're going to push all the way up here. That's all I'm doing. Just wait, because I'm loving the overextensions. So, same thing with SPY. Overextended. SPY. Overextended. That's making me excited. I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited. I'm getting so excited right now. I'm getting so excited. But if you're if you're playing alongside, I mean, you can still, like I said, scalp as much as you want. Scalp. Scalp it on up. Where we at right now? So if you are scalping, you want to get above that 51.50. You want to get above 51.50 because that'll put you only 50 cents away from 52. So right now I'm just trying to map out what the high is on this. What was this high? 51.27. 51.27. All right, 51.27. Let me mark you off. I think that was the high, right? SPX, nice pick. I'm sorry. SpaceX, 52. What I told you, Aussie, 152. Buy momentum. What I told you, demand zone. God, just calling these bad boys left and right. What I told you, Aussie, about that demand zone on SpaceX. I said, watch those buys buy up. Look, going off again. 4.5 Tesla. Stop playing with me, man. Bull flag, baby. 4.250 up to the 4.5. I told y'all, man. Stop playing with me. Man, y'all should be banking right now. Insane. Bro, they don't know, man. That's money opportunities. God. Man, I'm putting money in you guys' pockets, man. Y'all should be banking right now. 31. Let me see. Still got a room. SPY still squeezing. What I told you. Almost to that target, right? Almost to that target. What I told y'all with Tesla. 4.5. Jay, what's the next level from there? 4.750. Watching 4.750 towards the upside on Tesla. As long as that momentum keeps going. Next level up. 4.750. 4.750. I told him, man. I told y'all. Shorts don't chase. Let the bulls have it. I told y'all it was more upside coming. SPY still going. And where we at on VIX? I told him, man. Where we at on VIX? Still dropping, right? Where we at? Where we at? In the 15s. Nah, we haven't hit our target just yet. We still got room to still fall. Still room to still fall on this bad boy. Room to still drop. VIX, we want to get back down to the 1580s, down to the 1550s. That means the more that VIX drops, SPY's going to continue to keep popping. So, and look at that. 5150, what I told you. Get above 5150. We want to go for that push up to 52, up towards that targeted area that we got of 5241. Boy, you got to love calling out these plays, man. I called out more. 1450, pullback. Tesla, 4250 breakout to 45. Told you. SpaceX, look for that push up towards 152. Man. God, you gotta love calling out these plays. Look at this. Bounce right off my trend line, off these bottoms, back up to 152. Look at it. And I told you, Aussie, what I told you, Queen, this was a demand zone. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame to show that confirmation that I told you this, and you my witness. Let's go to SpaceX real quick. Didn't I tell you that? I say, watch as you fall into this area. Buy zone, buy zone, buy zone. What did I tell you? And why was that based off of? Back here. Look at this. Demand zone, back in the day. Demand zone, back in the day. Now let's go forward towards the present. Demand zone, yesterday. Demand zone, today. Going from the demand zone with all these, I told you, Aussie, watch this area to see if buyers was going to buy up for that move back to the Queen. Come on, man. Come on, Queen. Come on, Queen. All right, all round. Let me go in with Hardware with his psychotic ass. That's my guy, though. I love him to death. Hardware, we back in the building, baby. We back in the building.
Good.
Called out these plays, boss, to the upside. Told him that squeeze was coming. Don't short yet. I told him. I called out Tesla. I called out Morrow's pullback. I called out SpaceX push. Nailed every single one of these bad boys.
I told everyone about Mara.
Man, because I knew the top was gonna be around. I said around 1450 to 15. Somewhere in the area is gonna get a pullback, and sure enough, dropped them.
We missed the push up, so that's why I was like, hey, just put Mara on your watch list.
I told him, man. Austin was my witness to that. She heard me call that out this morning on Mara, where that pullback was gonna possibly come at. I told y'all. Jay, how the hell did you come up with 1450? Because I went to the 1 hour time frame. All I did was go to Mara once Hardware alerted it. Let me go to Mara real quick. And right here, guys, all I did was just take the back, go back a little bit to see exactly where you had strong pullbacks at. I say right here, you kept getting stuffed out at 15, 15, 1450. Let me see, where that 1450, you had another area that showed it clearly. I think it was right here. 1450, pull back. So I called it out. I told you guys. And look where we pulled back. Right underneath what? 1450, drop them. All I did was go back to the past, guys, that quick, and just...
I just need a little bit more push on NVIDIA, and then
let me help Boss Man out on the video. Breakout zone that we needed on the video, we already above it, was 202.50. From 202.50 on up, we got a bull flag pattern setting up. We need that break above 203.50 up to 204. So could be setting up for a bull flag coming up. I told you guys, man. It's insane.
You got into the Mara 13-15 put already. I mean, we're at 54% right now, which is perfect.
Come on. Just waiting on this bad boy.
Alright, let's see what else is crack-a-lacking in the market now.
Guys, if y'all pay close attention, even SPY setting up for a bull flag pattern. If you merge all your 5-minute candles together, that's one engulfing candle. It's followed by a small red candle. So they could be setting up for a bull flag for the next leg up. Keep it on watch. Off of that 751.31 to the upside. How many candles is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's about what? Let me go to a 30-minute time frame, see how it look real quick. About a 30-minute. Yeah, still got some with a bull flag pattern on the 30-minute. Still looking bullish. Yep. I told you guys, SPY had a lot of room left in that tank. I told y'all. That's why I said shorts, don't do it. I told shorts, don't do it yet. It's not time yet. Wait.
Palantir is getting pretty close too, so that's good.
Yep, guys, we almost there.
Close.
I'm gonna put an alert on Nvidia right around 302.50 for that break. Let's see. Need that break above that one. 302.50 on you. Alright. Let me see what else. Let me go back to VIX and see where we at now. Where we at? Still pulling. Fighting at 16 still. Let's see. I want to see one more drop on this one underneath 16.
Just FYI, just giving you a heads up. A lot of the big funds right now, they're wanting to short right now. Just giving you a heads up.
I know. That's why I was telling them. That's why I was getting excited. That's why I was telling them to wait, because it's coming. That's why I said, be patient. It's coming. It's coming.
Letting you know.
Oh, I've been waiting. Oh, boss, trust me. I've been waiting this whole time. I've been waiting. Patiently waiting. I've been getting my contracts ready, everything. Oh, I'm excited. Well, I think we'll get a few more pushes up. Then I think it's going to be time to catch them. So that's going to be about, what, 3? Maybe, what time it is right now? About 30 minutes. I think after just 30 minutes, we may see something. Then we're going to get a 30-minute push up first, guys. And then as 3 o'clock crosses over, I think we're going to start to see it afterwards. Let's see. I'm excited. We're almost to my level. Almost. Keep going. Almost. Just patiently waiting, guys. Patiently waiting on mines. Yeah, boss. Yeah. Monday through Friday. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cyril, what you looking at, boss? What you trading today? Cause we called out. Shout out to Hardware for bringing more to everybody's attention. We caught SPY's pullback this morning, then the bounce. What time do I start? I normally come in after lunch, cause in the beginning of I'll be in Discord on the I'm in another community on Discord, so I'll be with them. Basically the guy I'm talking to right now. I'll be in their community, and then after we finish doing lunch, I come in on the live. So pretty much lunchtime, 12ish. I'll make a deal with you guys.
If we hit 756 tomorrow, holy shit! I mean, we got. Damn. I mean, I didn't even. 746, 25, 756, 70, 7, wow. All right, I mean, like, I'm thinking way too far ahead, but yeah, we got some crazy levels to play with. We got some cool levels too.
Oh yeah, it's still pushing. Like I said, yeah. I mean, SPY's going for a target. I see where it's going. I know where it's going. That's why I'm waiting on it. Waiting for that target to hit. And once that hit, then we should see, you know, possible pullback coming. Almost there. Slowly creeping. Let me see. Let me see. I can make a little deal with everybody. Let's see. Where we at right now? I'm at 1,028 subscribers on YouTube. Guys, okay. If y'all can help me get to 1,050, I'll go back to 9 o'clock in the morning.
Alright, I'm just waiting for the word from my guys. I mean, I know they want to jump in soon.
Yeah, still.
It's at 1:30.
Yeah, it's almost there, boss. Almost. So let me see about 3. I want to say about 3 candle bar play up real quick. Let me see if we can go get it. Cause I know it's getting.
I mean, we have levels up to 752.29.
Okay.
So that's still roughly a dollar jump, pay jump.
Yeah. So I'm thinking a few more candles up right before power hour kicks in. So I'm gonna see within these 30 minutes that we're gonna get this push. Cause I'm getting ready. I'm definitely gearing up for it, just to make sure. Cause I know it's getting closer and closer to that area. Very close. Very, very, very close. I want to see about 2 more green candles up, at least. It's gonna be a tough area, but I know we're getting close. Cause I want some low areas on this contract as much as possible.
I mean, whoever was in Nvidia, I mean, you could take profits here. To be honest, I mean, if you don't want to hold it for longer, I mean, you could take profits on your Nvidia. I think whoever was on the 205s earlier was like 76 cents. It's $1 now. So
come on.
That, I mean, you really can't go wrong with that. And the 202.50s, we were in it for like $1.60. That contract now is 202. So I mean, every contract hit profit. So good job.
Come on, buyers, keep pushing. Don't pull yet. Not yet. Let me see if they're gonna trap them real quick. A little fake out pullback real quick. Just want one more push. One more push. Hit that target. Cause I see VIX is trying to wake back up. Just slowly trying to wake back up. It's the waiting game, guys. We're just being patient. Just waiting for these tops.
Wait, Critical, were you in the?
Oh, yes, here. Go ahead, Harv. I'm sorry. Let me see that link.
Yeah, I was in for that video.
Did you? I mean, dude. I mean, yeah. I mean, it was $1 profit, dude. Just take that once it hit $1.
Yeah, I hopped out of. I think I hopped out of it earlier, but yeah, I was definitely in for that.
Oh, so you got out of that too?
All right, Discord link. Send that to my guy.
Yeah, I got that earlier.
All right.
Thank you.
Sorry, Siri, I got you, boss. I'm sending you the Discord link right now. All right. All right, boss. I'm sending it to you right now. Discord.
I told you that that Nvidia play was a slow grower, but I mean, it was a good one because we had a lot of people involved on that Nvidia play.
All right, guys. Let's see if we're gonna get this last bounce up after this little fake out pullback. So we should get this next candle up. Here we go. Fake out pullback that we just talked about. Get this last set of pushes on up. Come on. Oracle better not jump in yet. Don't you mess this up for me.
No, what do you mean? I want Oracle to jump in so that he could tank the market.
That's what I'm saying, but I'm waiting for this target then, because I think they waiting for this level to hit. Then they're going to do it. Because I think they're going to bounce it up real quick, hit it, and then pull it. Because I knew that was going to do it.
A lot of balls coming in, though.
Yeah, that's what I said. I knew this area right here was going to be a fake out pullback, so that's what I was expecting, then bounce it back up real quick. So that's a part of the game plan. Bounce it back up, then get ready.
Wow, the SPY contracts are so cheap. Right,
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, they cheap. Oh yeah, they cheap.
No, hold on. Something's not right. Something is not right. It shouldn't be this cheap.
Alright, come on.
Hold on.
It's getting there. We almost. Come on, SPY. Come on. You right by it. Give us another pop. One more pop. I see you.
Nah, something fishy with the contract real quick. I just asked my analyst to take a look at it real quick. I don't.
So you think
there shouldn't be this much of a spread difference on.
So you think the longs are setting up a trap? I mean, like the trap to push it again?
No, it's not a trap. It's just the market is probably just gonna take calls and puts money with the pricing right now.
Oh, okay.
Because honestly, the 752 and 753, instead of 41, the next contracts up should be roughly at like 25 cents to 28 cents.
Yeah.
Now that the 753 contract's only 14 cents, that's not good. And then plus like the puts, 751 and 750, the 51 is 32 cents and the 750 16 cents. That contract on 750 should be roughly 21 to 22. It's, yeah, I mean, the spreads are a little too much right now.
Yeah.
So regardless, if you get into a contract, you get trapped on both ends.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
What I think they plan on doing is squeezing. I think that's what they trying to do is squeeze it.
So this is a double-edged sword on both sides.
Nah,
so
I agree.
This
I
is,
agree.
If you weren't in SPY contracts since 750, 751 touches a no-no for both.
Yeah.
Don't care if you're doing calls. Don't care if you're doing puts. That's a no-no.
Yeah, I think a squeeze is coming. Let's see. I think that's what they're trying to do.
Because if you were a bear right now and you get into the 751s and you go, fuck it, let me get the 750s and you're trapped in on that, that 750 contract instantly will turn into 7 cents. You're not getting that money back, even after the pump. And that goes both ways for calls too. If you get the 752s right now at 49 cents, that 49 cents could instantly turn into 17 to 18 cents, and you're not going to recoup that back unless you average roughly 6 to 7 times your initial value. So
appreciate
for me, that's immediately a red flag.
Okay, appreciate you for the insight, boss. Appreciate you. Yep, so I'm just waiting now.
You guys, I mean, for those who's doing option contracts and who's been doing it for a while, you have to understand, contract volume is one of the key things that you should have muscle memory on. And what I mean by muscle memory, if you look at contracts on a regular basis every fucking time, let's say the contract is $1, and then you're doing calls, the next level up is $3. That spread is too much.
Yeah,
that's a $2 spread. You never want to get into a contract where the next level is like triple your first strike price. So just keep that in mind.
Yep, they definitely setting up something. They definitely setting up for something right soon coming up.
Like the Nvidia right now, the only reason why I was telling everyone to get into 205s was the spreads on it earlier were so fucking even. Now the spreads are so different, and when you got it initially like 76 cents, 80 cents, that 205 contract right now, bid price and ask price is 101 to $1. I mean, like, you can't ask for anything better than that. And the crazy with the reason why I said Nvidia, if Nvidia moves up another 75 cents, this 205 contract instantly, instead of 103, will turn into 155 in a heartbeat. That's why I love Nvidia contracts today. That's why we were so heavy into it.
Hardware, how normally, like, how much does SPY normally goes before like reversals, like $10, $10-$12 up, then reversals? Cause cause yesterday, okay, we bounced. We started from yesterday area of 740s. Now we're in the 750. So if you put those 2 days together, we already went on a $10 push to the upside. So does it normally run like $10 then pull? Something like that?
I mean, it should, but remember yesterday it was FOMC too, with like just neutral news, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, keep that in effect. I mean, it already did the bottom wick on it already. If you technically think about it, after yesterday, it was, I think, like 744 roughly open, and then it did the 739 on the bottom end, and it just kept growing and growing.
Yeah.
So, I mean, we do have a channel wick on the bottom. I mean, like the bottom end is 740, like roughly 747.50 is going to be like the bottom touch again. That's like that's the zone that everyone has an eye on. Like, my guys have it a little bit lower. They have a touchstone of 746.35, but for me, it's like 747. Like,
it's overboard.
Zone is my bottom touch. So I mean, there's a lot of room for just to even out from this, but honestly, there's a lot of good news coming out. That's the thing.
Yeah.
There's the positive news.
Man, stop playing on this damn 9MA. See, that 9MA is just holding SPY up. It's just laying on top of it. I hate when it does that.
I mean, this is exactly what I was saying, right? Like, even if you get into calls or puts, regardless, you're getting smacked right now.
Yeah, yeah. Nah, I see what you're saying. I see exactly what you're saying.
Like, you're not making any money, and you're only losing money by time. So
yeah, exactly. Yep. Nah, you're right.
This is exactly why I said if you're not already in contract, and you just. This is a sit on your hands moment right now.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, sitting on my hands. Because I'm either waiting for a spike to occur or a drop, one of the two. So after this little build up, yeah, I'm waiting for one of them to happen. Because I see VIX is trying to pull his way back up. Now it's back above 16. So something is definitely...
And all jokes aside, like, I wouldn't be surprised for the rest of the trading time now if this just straddles from 752 to 750. This zone, it just might just piggyback back and forth like a ping pong ball. Right now.
Yeah.
And I mean, that's the case. Honestly, if you made your money today, you call it a day. Go enjoy the rest of the day. And if you're waiting for plays, this is where it's gonna kind of hurt a little bit.
I ain't gonna lie, I think a spike coming. I ain't gonna lie to you, I think a spike is coming. Cause the way this is setting up, I think a spike coming. Yep, I think that short squeeze is coming. Cause this looks all too familiar. I didn't seen this play out before. Let's see what's gonna happen though.
What's good, brother? Are you heading back? Are you heading back home?
Yeah, I'm leading boss. I'm waiting on my play now.
I mean, you missed the crazy plays upwards, but just wait. Right now, you're in this you're in this trap mode, like chop zone. So
yeah.
That's why I say I think a squeeze may be coming. That's why I say I think a squeeze may be coming because it looked like.
It
looked like VIX wanted to drop.
Man. Nvidia would have been the play that I would have told you to join.
Yeah, I was in meetings over there.
It's all good. It's all good.
Let's see.
So it's okay, work peasant.
Yes, sir.
Yep, something. Yeah, I can put it like this, guys. Something is definitely brewing. Something's about to happen. Either we about to get a spike coming or a drop. Something is definitely about to come. Cause when I seen this play out before. When it's just sitting up like this, something's about to happen for sure. Something is definitely coming. So we're gonna see what type of 2 o'clock volume gonna kick in about 15 minutes. I think they're gonna spike it.
Yeah, I think so too.
Cause the way this is setting up, cause it looks like VIX wants to fall right back on down, and go for even a harder drop. It's the way it looked like.
Wait, was that Crucial saying that you want to spike too?
What the hell, Crucial? Oh, it's Crucial. I don't know why I don't know why I thought it was.
How about you guys do some calls real quick? Let me show you something. Come on, Jay.
Oh crap! Nah.
Come on, Jay.
No. There you go. Oracle. Yeah, buddy.
He said,
I see that I see it. That's why I'm waiting on it. Waiting to see if they're gonna do it. Cause I see the setup coming. Just waiting on it. And man, if it don't do it now, it may be around 2 o'clock. Oh, what's up, name? Spoke that 1:30, right?
Yeah, but I mean, but that's not gonna really impact market at all. Though.
Yeah, let me double check if anything else. Let me see for 2 o'clock. We got the Treasury buyback at 2, and then the Fed balance sheet at 4:30. But that's gonna be after the market though.
I mean, I'm gonna tell you guys something about Nvidia contracts, and this was like a little. The reason why I liked Nvidia is I don't know if you guys noticed the contract price, right? And I thought someone would mention it, but I mean, you guys didn't mention it, so I'm gonna give you the lowdown on contract. Just to peep Nvidia contract. Notice how since what, like 1 o'clock to now? Yeah, 1 o'clock to now. It was a very stagnant, like up, down, just ping pong back and forth, right? But the contract stayed exactly on the upper trend. Unlike if you did SPY, unlike you did Apple and everything, the reason why is because of... Is Gina here? Because Gina needs to hear this. All right, Gina is here. Is because of volume and open interest. Open interest and volumes, your contract is not gonna hurt you like something like very volatile. The volatility is probably only like 40%. I'm not even looking at the contracts, but I could already tell that contract is like only 40%. And which is really good and bad at the same time, but the open interest saves it. So right now, every cent that it goes up, the contract will always move on the positive, and even if it goes down, it will only go down 1 cent. That's why I fucking love this contract today. Like the 202.50s, 205 and 207.50s, those contracts are like rock solid. It had like a little cushion. So that is why we were heading into NVIDIA.
If they doing what I think they're about to do, boss, we may see 50, 55, 56. If they do what I think they're about to do.
I mean, here's the thing. There's no news for there's no major news for a huge hike, right?
Yeah.
There's nothing really like extravagant about market that does that. Oh, we have to buy more. Oh, buy. This is more of, hey, neutral, FOMC is pretty decent, you know, everything's just going right, no war, etc. But here's the thing, buyers have to, like, all this price point right now that it went shot up, they have to take profit. If people don't take profit, they're stupid. They're absolutely dumb for not taking profit.
Hey, Crucial, can you see my screen?
I'm going over to it.
Tell me if you see what I see. Watch. I'm going to show you. Watch this. Watch this. I see what I think they planning on doing. Watch this. If they going to do it. Holy shit, I see it. If they gonna go for it, I think they gonna do it.
I don't want to say anything.
You see it though?
What I mean, what do you? I mean, Jay, I'm not watching the thing, but I mean, what do you?
That okay? Look, okay. If they get this break above that 752.41, that old.
Oh my God, are you one of those people that think it's gonna go 756 right now?
I said if they break 752.
Dude, get in calls, please. Please, I need some lunch money.
I said if they break 752.
Get in calls.
I hate you. I hate you so much. I hate you so much. I said if.
Yo, let me call Mush. Let me call Mush real quick, too.
Oh, you bastard. Don't do that. I said if. I put a
Yeah,
big...
but I mean, you need a catalyst for that, though, right? You need a catalyst for that jump.
Yeah, but there's no catalyst to even hold it back either, too. Where they can... I'm not saying... I'm talking about like somewhat of a pump and dump type thing, where it's not going to hold. It's going to squeeze up and then drop.
I mean, but at the same time, you need a fuse for that pump and dump, though.
Yeah, true.
Like if you look at the candles right now, all the candles today, besides morning, everything else was a steady growth. It wasn't more of a pump and dump. You get what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Like everything was a steady growth. Everything was like, hey, everything's back to normal. Let's do it. But all the people that's bought, I mean, look, tons of people at 747.25 today. When SPY was at 747.25, tons of orders of buys came, and only a few liquidated at 750 today. Only a few. So all those people who bought at 747 are still holding on to their stuff. Now, your level is perfectly fine because I know visually a lot of people is looking at that 756 target. Trust me. That 756 target is going to be like the freaking icing on the cake for everybody. Could it happen? 100% it could happen. But there has to be some crazy catalyst news that comes in.
10 for it, yeah. That's I'm just keeping on
right?
watching.
So, but then here's the thing, Jay. One thing I know that you see is that, hey, all these buyers at 750, so some of them sold, but everyone kept buying every sell order, which is really fucking good. But the logic behind that is why, right?
Yeah.
That's the question. Why did people buy 750 levels and now we're at like 752s? So this is where you kind of look at the different sectors and you're like, okay, well, banking's strong. Everything's what's the weak threshold on it? And
Yeah.
I mean, actually, I haven't done that shit yet, and I should. So let's see, because I haven't looked at the heat map since before. Right now, on SPY, the only sectors that's red, which is really crazy, Google is red, consumer is red.
Okay.
Everything else is green today. MU, AMD, I mean, NVIDIA is going to turn green too in a little second. Microsoft is slightly red. But the only strong sector right now, Google. If Google, Walmart, Costco, everywhere else, the consumer like sector fucking turns green, yeah, we're going crazy. But a lot of the people that's like I'm gonna reveal a little secret right now. Go to the oil sector right now, oil and gas. Oil and gas is all -2, -3% right now.
Yeah, let me see.
That's your downfall.
Going to oil right now.
Like if you look at XOM, if you look at COP, Exxon, and stuff like that, it's barely green on some of the oil companies.
Yeah, because
right now.
oil's what, 71?
I mean, oil and gas, any energy stock right now, energy and oil and gas, they're all pretty much red. And the thing is, the consumer markets are red right now. So if you think, okay, what sectors are green? Technology sectors are green, which is boom, what happened today with everything. And also financial services are green. That's the but the major players right now, like on the back end, they're still not 100% green. Like so, Nvidia needs to go super green, Apple needs to go super green, Microsoft needs to go super green, Amazon needs to go super green, and Google has to go super green.
Okay, got you.
That's it.
Yeah.
Those 5 absolutely have a little bull run. 100% that's happening. But for the time being, the people who are already in stocks right now are content. Everybody's happy with their profits. They're like, I'll hold it for tomorrow. I'll hold it until Friday. So that's why when I looked at the contracts and I was like, oh, these motherfuckers are just trapping everyone. Because even if you got into a call, like I said, that 752, it's just been at 40 cents to 41 cents. And like I said, for the cheap people, which is absolutely fine, and you go, hey, I'm not going to spend $40 on this contract. I'm going to get the 753 calls. It's 13 cents, right?
Yeah.
The moment this goes down 50 to 25 cents in the market, that 13 cents just turned to 7 cents. You're not getting that money back. It's impossible to get back. The only way to do that is leverage. So now you put, let's say, $100 into the 13 cents. It's 7 cents. Now you're averaged in. You got to put another $200 to $300 dollars into it to even leverage close to the 7 cents. And guess what? If it continues to go down, that 7 cents just immediately just turned into 5 cents. That's it. That's the trap.
Got you. Okay, I get what you're saying.
And then now you're just gonna pray that it goes up. It goes up. Oh my God! Please come back to 7 cents so I could just break out even money. Ain't gonna happen because now it's 2 o'clock. Now you have like an hour and a half to just fight off the market, and that's how you lose money. Like right now, so many people just got into massive put orders right now on this candle, and they bought the 751s at 35 cents right now. So I mean, this is like the perfect example just to see how fucked their position is gonna be. So right now, they got the 751s, and I've seen a lot of orders come in. So they're in at 35 cents right now. One little jump up, and I mean, just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna pretty much watch this contract, see how fucked they are. So look, so they just got the 35 cents now because of that little push up right now. That contract turns into 32 cents, so that they're minus 8% right now. So guess what, Jay? What do I have to do? You gotta leverage, right? You gotta buy in. So now they buy in. They averaged in, and right now it's going down, and they're at 17 to 14%. This is the dangerous game. This is where you go, oh my God, okay, I'm making money. Do I cancel this? 100%. This is where you liquidate here. But in an instant, if this goes all the way back up, that 14% is going to get cut so fast. Now that 14% in about 10 seconds, watch this. If this goes lower than 751.50, then they got super lucky. But if this goes right back up to 751.85, that 11% right now, I'm positive, right? I'm 14% positive. So I'm like, okay, 25 should be like the exit goal here. Nice little scalp that I just made about, depending on contract. So now you're like, okay, a little bit more. That little jump up right here, that 2 cents, that 11% just cut myself into 5% now. I'm just like, what the fuck? This is how I'm telling you, this contract is so vicious. It's a double. Now, with this little jump up to 751.62, I'm negative 2% now. Bro, I was just up 18 to 15%. Now I'm minus 5%. That's that vicious game. And then all you do here is if you have money, you're adding leverage, right? You're buying more, you're adding more situations. You get more. This contract, instead of that you did 5, you're 25 contracts deep now, and you're minus 8%. What are you gonna do?
Exactly.
You're screwed.
Yeah. Yep. No, you're right.
So like I said, I'm in like 751 put that I was just because the market was going down. I am negative 2% now after leveraging 5 plays to 3 plays, averaging. Now, I mean, for simple math, let's say I got 1 contract and then, okay, I'm leveraging, I got 2 contracts. and then, oh my God, I'm losing more money. So you buy 3 contracts. So now you're in like 6 contracts deep, and you're at 2% negative, 5% negative now. You're just praying for it to go down. And if it doesn't go down, you're never going to get that money back.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why this level of contracts are so tricky. This is why I said it's a double-edged sword. It doesn't make sense. Like that 35 cents contract now just turned into 30 cents right now. And you're down 11%, dude. That's fucking crazy. I mean, I hope that really, whoever's listening, like, really understand that, because this is how you're losing money, and this is how I lost money many times before, and you understand, like, the psychological level of what I just mentioned, because this is what you guys go through, what I go through on a daily basis. And when you hear me trade, you hear me go, all right, I'm going against my rule. I mean, you hear that plenty of time, unfortunately, but it's because, you know, I have a risk factor that I extend out to, right? But some people don't have that luxury of that. So whoever was in that 751 put, it's 35 cents, you're at 0%, you're break-even money. Now, 90% of the people right now, or 80% of the people would be like, oh my God, I broke even, I'm getting out. So, and then you risk like $600 just to break even. And then all of a sudden you're going to see the market slowly go down now, and you're like, oh my God, I should have held.
Yeah, start getting emotional.
I mean, welcome to stocks, man. But then before you even have that, you got to have a plan, right? So if I was involved in this, I would have been like, okay, 27% is my exit on this. I don't care how low. This is what I'm going to do. And my exit out is 11%, you know, minus on it. I'm out. You take those profits. Rinse, repeat. Rinse, repeat. And then whoever's holding calls right now, that, like, if you're doing a 0-day contract, you're playing, you're dousing yourself with fire. I'm curious, Jay, do you always do 0-day, or do you do weeklies? I'm kind of curious.
I'll do 0-day at the beginning, like when the market is hot, 9:30, 11. Then I'll switch over to like the next day to have a little bit of breathing room.
Next day? All right. I mean, there's nothing wrong with trading 0-day, like with SPY, but it's like, unless you know 100% that it's going to happen, you know, then that gets risky.
Yeah, pretty much just volatility, yeah, in the play.
But then, like, there's people like Gina, and Gina, I don't want to call you out, but, I mean, it's a bad habit where you pay extra premium for, like, a weekly, and then you're stuck, right? And that's something that that's a bad habit, just FYI.
Now I have started doing 2 days or maybe tomorrow's execution, but I don't go completely 0 DT because that gives me anxiety and I'm not able to manage my trade after that.
Yeah. I mean, that's good. Remember I kept yelling at you for doing like 2 weeks out or something? I was like, Gina, no.
I was too scared.
I know, but at the same time, you're paying a higher premium, right, for you having a safety net. But then also that safety net could tangle you up and kill you too at the same time.
Thank you.
I'm still tripping on when she scared the shit out of us earlier. He sat up in that chair.
Bruh, like, seriously, when she screamed, I literally, Jay, if you...
This house is 3,500 square feet.
I know, Gina, but I'm telling you, I have PTSD from my parents yelling at me too, and then I was just like, as soon as you yelled, I was like, oh shit, what the fuck did I do?
I was scared because my daughter has this thingy where she gets seizures sometimes. Like, she has this syncope thingy. If I have a doubt if something falls even, I would scream on her like, "Are you okay?" Like that scream always comes
Gotcha. Okay. Damn.
because she had it 3 4 times, and one time she fell and just like cut herself completely.
You know,
So
just to give you heads up, I mean, because I'm following suit, so you guys can learn from this, because I'm just watching this. The 751 put that we were making 11% on, now because of this quick little run up, that contract is negative 20%. Isn't that I want you to take account of what just in a matter of what? How many was that? Like 5 minutes?
Yeah, roughly 5 minutes.
6 minutes?
Yeah.
6 minutes. You're scalping, and because you lost your entry, now that put right now is negative 20%. But you want to know the crazy part? Even if you're like, okay, I wasn't going to do a put anyway, and I was going to do a call, your 752 original cost was 40 cents. That 752 right now is only 39, so you're still losing money on that call too. Just keep in mind.
Yep.
So that's why I said this is a double-edged sword, and this is not worth something that you want to trade, because now puts are negative 17.14%, and calls you're negative only 7%. No one's making money right now. That's why I said this is a very dangerous area. Both ends are losing money. But we got what, 207 here. I mean, we should be sort of creating some volume here. I mean, my Nvidia guys should be doing some shit, because at 205 was when we should have done something, but they're really not doing shit. I'm about to call them and yell at them. Yeah, because exactly 205 is when we did they supposed to do a jump here. My Nvidia right now, we should be at 204.15 is where we should be. Oh, now these motherfuckers want to do it. I swear to God. See, we should be at 204.15 right now.
Yeah, the video. Let's see.
Yeah, I mean, you guys really should, honestly, homework-wise, I mean, I hate to say homework, but something that you guys should instantly, really realize is option spread contracts from jumping from one strike price to the other strike price. You really gotta, keep that in account. I can't press how important that is. Learning strike price cost. And what I want you to do is, as soon as market opens, go to your contracts and see the spread difference from one strike price to the other, and you're gonna see how close those the ask price are, and then towards the end, how dramatic the spreads are. And that will show you exactly how the market's going to be leaning towards.
All right, what else they got? Let me see.
All right, Jay, you want to do a quick little bet?
Oh crap. So I'm always the target, ain't I?
Because I'm gonna give you the deck. I'm gonna give you everything. I'm just gonna go from exactly what you go by. So, if I gave you $100 right now, where are you pointing up to?
Whether you upside or downside?
I mean, yeah.
Upside.
You tell me.
Upside.
Upside. So, what's your upside target?
752.50 up to 753.
752.50. Okay, hold on. Okay. So, is it fair to say if I was playing the opposite, 750.82 is a fair price too then, right?
Roughly, yeah.
So would you want to enter? Would you do your 100 right now while the market's kind of building?
Where we at? 752 still testing. I would have honestly caught that pullback right where that backdrop was at. I would have caught that one. We had that strong pullback at what candle was that, number 4? I would have caught that then.
That was like 751, like 25 area, right?
Yeah, yep, right on down, yep.
Yep. So this is where it gets interesting now, right? I feel like it's gonna hit your target roughly around the next 20 minutes here within that time frame.
I just traded CLWV. I caught the pullback. I caught that one. I caught that bitch.
So, let me see.
I caught that pullback on CLWV.
You love that shit.
Right down to 91. Yeah. I heard we caught that one real quick. Caught that spread.
Oh shit. Oracle says incoming.
Caught that spread real quick. That was beautiful.
This motherfucker, the deal.
And bam! Look at CLWV. Ooh.
Yo, Jay. You should be happy because Oracle came in exactly when that was happening.
Yep, and it started pushing right back up.
Did it go right back up? No way.
Yep. Right towards 52?
I swear to God, man.
I love you.
You seriously need to make money off of
Boy, I love you, Oracle boy. You are the bone, man. And there go CLWV still cracking. Ooh. Give me some more of that spread. Give me some more of them spreads.
Come on, Oracle. I need spot to go down. What happened? Where's your touch at? Where's your magic?
I need some more of that
Looks like
spread.
it's only in the mornings.
Nah, there's
Caught
no
that
way.
drop.
What, your magic runs out in the afternoon? Is that what you're saying?
That was quick.
That's what I'm saying.
Caught
Reverse.
that. I saw that drop.
I'm kind of curious. How much is that 751 put now? 751 put, you guys would be negative 25% here.
It's still
And
dropping.
this is where you would average more. That's what I'm saying. It's like the worst trap.
Oh,
It's the
man.
worst trap.
Thank you, CLWV. Thank you.
How much is CRWV now?
I mean, right now we're at 91. Next,
shit.
yeah, the strong engulfing red candle too. Maybe sitting up for a bad flag.
I mean, since CRWV is your baby, where does CRWV reflect? What other stocks does it touch?
I thought it used to play off in NVIDIA. I thought it was connected to that. Let me double check that. I knew. I'm trying to see what the sympathy play on that is.
I mean, NVIDIA is still at 203.25 area, so it can't really impact.
Yeah, let me
it
check.
now.
Let me check. Let me double check that. See what that is. Sympathy play on CLWV. I'm trying to see what it's connected to. Alright. Sympathy. Core, cause that's CoreWeave, so that's in the AI sector. So sympathy.
So it relates to AI pretty much?
NBI. I see NBIS. That popped up on Google, so it said NBIS is, I think, this connected to it. It does say NVIDIA. Yeah, that's the main two I see that keep popping up is in NVIDIA and NBIS. Man, we getting another drop too on it? I think might as well play with something while I'm waiting on SPY. That shit's still dropping. I'll take it. Oh man, it's crazy.
I mean, there's traction on Amazon right now, so that's good. Like I said, as soon as the consumer sector is like that builds, right? Amazon was one of the names I said, one of the top 5 stuff that builds. once Amazon's building speak, then there's a sense of direction.
Yeah. All right, a little bit of a bounce back up. Let me see. There we go. Pull back. Let's see. Can we get this?
Yeah, Oracle, though, seriously, all bullshit aside, like, seriously, that, before you come in, will be so helpful for me.
Oh, we'll test it out tomorrow. Get your wallet ready.
Oh, God. Here you go.
My little donation, but
No bullshit, motherfucker. I will give you a percentage. If this shit works, if tomorrow works, I would absolutely fucking definitely do it.
alright, you said it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not even fucking joking around. I said I wasn't gonna do a fucking put right now, but as soon as I saw that you were coming, I am in a 751 put, and I am making like 10% so far.
Oh, fuck, no worries.
I mean, I'm sure, dude. As soon as you said that, fuck it, I'm short. I mean, 751.45 is my target, like a small little short. Holy shit, it's actually working. Bro, I swear to God, if you give me 751.45, I'm gonna call you. I'm changing your name to Undertaker.
That's
Wait, hold on. I gotta make sure that it works.
Oh, I heard it.
Yeah, I swear to God, Oracle, you give me 751.45. I mean, like, I don't know what other song I have to put.
Shit.
This is his theme song right now. Come on.
Cold-blooded.
I mean, Jay, look at this motherfucker, dude. As soon as this fucking guy fucking popped on, he said it was coming. Look. Everything else is getting fucking. The trend is getting fucking. Oh my God, 10 more cents, Oracle. 10. Come.
Oh shit.
Come on. 10 more cents. Oracle, work your magic. Fucking die. Dude, the fact is, like, fuck doing, like, charts. Just make Oracle come and just play the Undertaker song. We'll get to your level.
We got left 30 seconds.
Oracle's touches non-existent. Doesn't work in the afternoons. The power's gone.
Shit.
Yeah, but I mean, it's horrible because like you're both sides is losing money right now. You know, it's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
This is exactly what I said. I was like, hey, no trades, sit on your hands, no nothing, unless you see the thing.
That rain? Jesus.
Oh my God, he made it rain over there too.
Like it just started literally pouring rain.
Bro, this shit fucking started drizzling here out of nowhere.
Like hard down raining too.
He's doing it. Yeah, this bitch is actually fucking gonna do this. I'm fucking out of my fucking mind. I'm out of my fucking mind. This is unreal. Oh my god, 721.45. He fucking did it.
It's insane.
Jay, this fucking guy did it. Throw all your stock books, all your training out the window. Just get Oracle.
You got my Zell.
Dude, you really did. I really did ask for 751.45. This bitch really fucking did it. That's fucking gross. Wait, how much is that put now? That put is only 5%, which is fucking insane. Which that contract shouldn't even be making money. That's gross. Yo, Squirt, you're in this short, right? I know you are. I know you're a gambler.
No, I'm not.
Aw, you punani.
All right,
I'm in Nvidia call, so.
I mean, you're a little too late for the Nvidia calls, brother. We were in that Nvidia call like since morning.
I'll switch my contract over.
It's a little too late for the Nvidia calls. I mean, but I mean, it's still. I mean, you have a 1 day on it, so you're still fine, I guess.
Yeah.
Holy shit, Oracle, you really fucking did it. This shit really fucking works.
I mean, market came
watch the
down,
moment.
rain came down.
Jay, watch this. The moment this bitch leaves this fucking shit real quick,
Don't pop back up.
guarantee you this shit's gonna shoot right back up to 751.95. Guarantee.
Alright. See you tomorrow.
Nah, man, don't do that. Stay for a while. Stay for a while.
Jason is short. He's like, stay for a while. Don't leave.
Get comfortable, man.
This is how you know. This is how you can tell Jay. This is how you can tell Jay what trading's in. By you or when Jay goes, get the fuck out.
Stay for a while, get yourself comfortable.
Yeah, get comfortable, man.
Jay, what did I say? You remember I gave you $100 and you were on the upside? I had to call the secret weapon out, motherfucker.
Oh, yeah, that's sad. You had to call somebody. You had to call him. Out of all people. Out of all, as soon as he come in and pull back. God damn it, Oracle.
Damn it, Oracle.
It's a little freaky, man.
Dude, look at this shit though. Do you see this market with this motherfucker though?
Oh my god, just reach. Damn.
Oracle, I swear to God, go to Fiverr, create a fucking account. I will be your first customer to say like good reviews. I was like, listen, this guy has the worst luck. Whoever he wants to lose, just hire him.
Nah, him.
I mean, it's fucking nuts, dude. Yeah, you know what the crazy shit is? That 751 put, even though it fell below 751.45, I mean, you're only making like 5%. Oh my god, he left. Alright, watch.
He did it on purpose.
Oh, I thought he fucking left for real. Well, market is gonna pop.
Yo.
Yeah.
That glitched down.
I mean, it's okay. You're still dropping the market, Oracle. You still have the power in the afternoon.
I remember that one time, I forgot what stock it was. I think it was Nvidia. I was like, oh shit, all time high. And as soon as I said that shit was fucking tanked. I forgot which one. I think it was Nvidia too.
I don't even fucking remember. Yeah, Jay, you should. When that day is the day that I officially said, alright, this guy has the power. No go. You have to understand. This market right now should not be dipping this much even on spot. It should be stagnant. I'm telling you, once Oracle leaves, this shit's gonna shoot right back up to 751.95. Guaranteed. I'm telling you right now.
All right, I'm gonna test it out.
All right, fine, go.
All right, see ya later.
All right. Watch this fucking shit rise now. Kid you the fuck not. Watch this stupid shit fucking go up.
Let me see what's gonna do it.
Alright, let me see. Notice how he leaves on the key level too.
The key level. I was about to say that the key level.
Right? Notice how he leaves on the key level too. It's fucking crazy. Alright, let's see. I'm not kidding. I'm gonna sign off if this shit really just jumps up to 751, like 751.90 here. If it just okay, fine. 751.75. I'm leaving. I'm not even joking.
Sorry, we're at 7. We're at 38.
Ain't no fucking way it's going up.
A little bit. It didn't go for a big bounce. It's a small miniature bounce. Let's see. Small bounce.
I kid you, Jay. I kid you the fuck not. We need to. If we have a power like this with this motherfucker on our backs, we should be untouchable.
It's trying to. Oh, it's literally thunder.
It should be like a very stagnant level still. I mean, shit. I mean, Apple's getting a little weak here too, so.
Tesla 705.50. My alert just went off. Tesla 705.50. Tesla still going up to the upside.
Jay, I'm not kidding. I'm literally jumping off this fucking Discord. I am jumping off this call if this really just moons to 751.75. No, I'm not. You think I'm joking? Like, there's no fucking way.
All right, guys, if we keep pushing, guys, your next level from this area on Tesla is going to be 410. All right, right now, well, we just tested 41. Trying to bounce.
There's no fucking way.
It's trying.
No. See, now I want to short this. Like, I'm shorting the fuck out of this so he doesn't win. There's no way. I don't believe in that. I mean, like, as much as I do believe in this fucking shit, there's no way this is gonna shoot back up. There's no fucking way.
Yeah, that's crazy. Tesla ramping up.
I mean, whoever the fucking lunatics buying Tesla at this level, like, I don't know what the fuck they're smoking right now. Okay, watch this fucking 2 minute right here. I kid you the fuck not. This should be going down. But if there is a fucking candle that wicks up the high, I'll be speechless. Absolute speechless. What is it, 229? Alright, less than a minute here now. Oh my god, it's actually picking up a little volume. Wait, is my order books correct? Yeah, order books is correct. It just switched to green. Wow. Ain't no fucking way. Jay, I swear to God.
Yeah, it's trying so hard to push.
Swear to fucking God, if it jumps up 50 cents, I'm leaving.
It's trying so hard to do it. Make it a little
Notice how he was here the whole time. It was gradually going down.
Yep. Look, you need to get the mic get a little gap up.
Where your mic on.
Oh.
There you go, boss. Let's see. It's above set.
I can't do the fuck. This shit up. No,
I saw it.
This shit up. There's no way a volume push could that fucking. There's no fucking way.
Yep, there you go. That's too funny. it's hard down right now. Hope the electricity don't go out. Please don't.
Yeah.
See now, yo, bro, do you look at the fucking chart? As soon as you fucking left, look at the green candle that fucking trailed behind. Nah, I'm being dead serious.
Nah, what the fuck?
Even he shocked.
He said, what the fuck?
Shocked at your own creation.
The reason why I called you back was it was creating like a volume up, and I just wanted to see if you just came back right now, if it would just immediately stop this and go down. And if it does, I'm officially sold.
I just sold NVIDIA since I have to hop on a plane, but I just took a profit of 10%.
Good shit. NVIDIA's fucking, yeah, NVIDIA's, NVIDIA's perfect. Oracle, there's no way it's gonna go down now, right? Volumes are picking up everywhere right now. There's no way. Absolute no fucking way. Absolute no fucking way.
Yo, that shit's fucking crazy. It's going back and forth crazy.
I mean, look at NVIDIA, dude. NVIDIA hit what did I say earlier, guys? 204 was like our fucking target goal on it, right? Look, critical. 205 that you guys are in is 120 now. No faith. No faith in me.
Nah, this is really going down. What the fuck?
Yo, Oracle, there's no fucking way. Alright, as long as NVIDIA hits 204, I am fucking a happy camper. See, Oracle, you can't fuck up NVIDIA. NVIDIA is one stuff that you can't fuck up. We had too many people blocking your bad luck.
I wasn't even in it, so it doesn't work.
I know, exactly. That's why I didn't even mention it. And you know how I knew NVIDIA would work today? When you said, oh, nah, I'm not going to get in. I was like, thank you, Jesus. As soon as this bitch said, alright, I'm not going to join NVIDIA,